Are you tired of complicated coding just to create simple chatbots? Imagine building sophisticated chat experiences effortlessly. Introducing Landbot, your no-code solution for web and mobile chatbot creation. Save on development costs while empowering your team to launch bots in minutes. Our visual builder features conditional logic and rich media for easy setup. With Landbot, you can integrate with any software seamlessly. Sync data using native integrations or connect with your proprietary tech through webhooks and APIs. Experience 3 core benefits. 1. A fun drag and drop builder lets anyone design unique conversational flows. 2. Reusable bricks and templates speed up bot creation, making scaling a breeze. 3. Powerful analytics provide insights to optimize every interaction. Standout features include dynamic data generation and advanced conditional logic, because every user deserves a personalized experience. Start building your first chatbot today. Join the no-code revolution with Landbot, where your ideas come to life without the hassle of coding. Visit our website now and see how easy it is to elevate your customer communication.